Hi you all, welcome to my channel where you are cooking with Mel. Today we're making juicy turkey burgers. So here's a snapshot of all the ingredients that you will need for this meal. So we're going to first start by slicing our tomato. Look how fresh that tomato look. You can tell the grocery store people had just put this out. Y'all, my tomato not sagging, ain't got extra juice flowing out of it. It's just a fresh tomato. I like that. So we're going to put that up in the refrigerator. So we got some ground turkey. And I'm just going to flatten it out. You want to flatten it out first so you can season it. But I'm also checking to make sure that none of the meat is still frozen from the freezer. So we're going to add some black pepper, some seasoned salt, and some garlic powder. And these are seasonings that you might want to have in your pantry if you like to cook a lot of meat. They are used to cook a lot of different types of meat. So you're going to work in the seasonings really well into the meat just to make sure it's evenly distributed. You don't want half your meat to be not seasoned. Gonna shape up your patty really good. I'm trying to get mine perfect. I'm trying to get it all thick. So let's see how I do. Yeah, that's nice and thick. So let's add our red onions. Let's go ahead and cut the red onions and get the red onions out the way. If you don't want to saute your onions, then you don't have to, but I'm gonna saute mine. So we're gonna put our patty in a pan over medium heat. And once we get that out the way, we're gonna go ahead and saute our onions really quick. So just take some regular butter. You don't even have to measure it, just put it in the pan. And then add your onions and cook it for about a minute. Don't overcook the onions. You don't want them cooked too much. Yeah. And once you finish, just put them to the side. So back to our patty. So you'll see that this meat is not producing a lot of juice. It's not producing a lot of fat. It's not like ground beef. Ground beef produces a lot of fat. So I'm gonna have to cover it to kind of get the juices to flow. So once I cover it, yeah, there we go. Y'all see this juice? That's what I need. I need juicy, not dry. So I'm checking to see if it's done. I'm gonna check the middle. Yep, it's done. So I'm gonna add my cheese. If you've been watching my videos, you should know by now that I do not eat real cheese right now. Right now, I can't say for later. But so I have my non-dairy cheese that I'm putting on here. It just don't melt as pretty. But here's the brand that I got. And I got it from Whole Foods. So any type of American cheese replica you can find that's non-dairy. If not, use regular cheese. So I have some Artisan Buns. And these buns are perfect for juicy burgers. You do not want to get the cheap buns. Don't you go to Dollar Tree trying to get no buns for these burgers. Those buns are gonna break. So we're gonna toast them real quick and just get ready to dress our burgers. So we're gonna add some mayo, some mustard, ketchup, whatever you want to put on there. You can go ahead and put it on there. I'm gonna put some relish. I don't know what kind of burgers y'all be eating, but I'm just doing mayo, mustard, and ketchup. We're gonna add my juicy patty. And then we're gonna add the sauteed onions that we sauteed earlier, the tomato that we cut, and then some lettuce. And bam, you have a quick and easy meal. And it's also healthy. So there we go. Here's a snapshot of the burger. And thank you all for watching. Please tune in for more videos. And if you like me, subscribe.